Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare the perfect white rice.
You know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Forward in the kitchen, let me show you wagwan. 2 tablespoons of salt to 3.5 cups of water. So we're gonna put half stick of butter. So once this has come to a boil and the butter is melted, then we're gonna wash the rice and add it directly into the water. 3 cups of rice. I'm just gonna wash that. I'm gonna do it too like a clothes in my wash. So give it the first wash. And wash it for about a minute to a minute and a half, just to get the excess starch out. So how many times you wash your rice?
2 or 3.
When do you know when to stop wash your rice?
When you see the water get clear.
Alright, clear it. Let me share this in. So you wash your rice like you wash clothes. So take notes how to wash your rice really sweet.
So this starch
So you even use a strainer.
This starch come out and make the rice shelly, you must start make the rice soft.
Up top. So chef tip. Get the perfect rice, you see me? See, everything has melted. So if you, again, a lot of people here in Jamaica cook very differently. Normally, persons would use a spoon to put everything in the water so that it doesn't splash and burn it. But if, like mommy, you know how to cook, you don't have to worry about all of that. You know what I say? Because mommy just go straight ahead and just lift it out with her hands. Drain the excess water. So basically, your rice, you put each equal portion of water to rice in a sense. How you know when you have enough water in your rice?
The rice much more than the water.
Oh, the rice more than the water? Okay. Mine, alright, so how me do for me now? Me do mine if me have at least an inch above the rice with water. But
yes,
do it.
The rice must stick with up.
So you're not stirring it up?
Yeah, make a stirring. Okay. But when you put it in there, you know, it's a shelly.
How?
Because the rice is a bit higher than the
water.
water.
When you show it in the center of the pot. I just learned a pro tip with the white rice. Once you're going to add that rice to the pot, when you put them in the pot, you want to ensure that you can be able to see the rice grains, and that's how you're going to know that you have the perfect amount of water. When I do it now,
the rice higher than the water.
Yeah. But when me stir the rice now, me wait until I stir the rice, then I put my finger, and once the water is ½ inch above the rice, you don't have enough water. So you give me a new trick.
When you start boiling, you turn on the stove and then put a plastic, anything like one plastic, you dampen it, put it on top of it and turn it on very well.
And then let it cook for how long? Make it steam for how long?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Alright. So right now, we have the rice going, you know what I say? The white rice is cooking. But my question to you is, how do you enjoy this episode so far alongside mommy? You feel me I say? Leave in the comment section below if you'd love to see more collaborations with her. And better yet, leave in the comment section if you'd want to see her live and direct on her own channel. You get me? Because trust me, she have a bag of things to cook and a bag of things to do. And she cook more than me. She cook every day authentic Jamaican dishes. So if that's something that you're into, leave it in the comment section. Let me know if you start up a channel for mommy. But make sure you watch me, you know. You know, I don't go for mommy channel alone and now watch me, you know. You understand? But watch mommy too.
Yeah man, every day I cook Jamaica food, yam, dumpling, banana. Make like pumpkin soup with chicken foot.
So you do baking and everything same way. You do whole heap of soup, a lot of soups. Like just authentic Jamaican food on a whole, you see me? Leave in the comment section what you'd like to see mommy make, you know what I say? Because I want to make especially some rice porridge, see? I want to get my roast, my coconut, you call it something like? My coconut drops. I want to make the blue jars. I want to do the blue jars. Then call it Lukuno, tire leaf, ain't no so? And what else more I make? I won't leave a thing, man, but the people out there have them questions, so leave in the comment section what I want to see more make. Curry fish head, that's something I love. I make the curry fish head with the roast breadfruit hot and ready. You know what I say? That's something I want to see. And the curry chicken back.
Breadfruit.
Johnny Star. Oh, you know Alisa begged me to tell her to make a video? Your stew beef. I'll be mad, Alisa mad over your stew beef. Right now, Alisa would like watch. I'll be mad. Alisa mad over stew beef. So I'm gonna make stew beef for the people, man. That I want next video again. But I never make it yet. You see me? So that is a video where the people would love to see. I'm not gonna make a party video. Remember on the panda one, but for now, I'm in Jamaica. I'm only making strictly Jamaican food, and I'm not the one making it. Mommy, I'm gonna make all of them stuff. You see me? So I'm gonna stay tuned and look out for the thing there. Up top. Alright, so you see now, I reached to that degree. Mommy think Shelly and precise, you know. Alright, so yeah, I do right now.
I'll put the plastic on top of
So you wash up a black bag or any form of plastic bag that you can find. Mommy wash it off and get some water on it. Yeah. Proper steam up. See? Lower your flame to low and allow that to steam up for 10 minutes. After which, we'll show you what it looks like. And believe me, everything will swell up and fluffy like Miss Kitty.
Remove the plastic from the rice.
Oh my god. You're not even stir the rice, eh? You don't do nothing to it.
Not tasting or nothing.
Not tasty.
Yeah, you don't taste the pot, you just wash your rice, any food or anything at all you're cooking. You just wash your rice, just judge the salt, and after everything cook, the only time it tastes it is when you're eating it.
Sure, no.
And it always come perfect.
That's it.
And it come out so shelly and nice.
It look nice and buttery, man. And there you have it, how to prepare the perfect white rice. Here on Morris Time Cooking It with a few pro tips from mommy herself, you see me? So once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See you another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.